Ever pondered what powers the electronic devices we use every day? From the humble calculator to the sophisticated smartphone, it all boils down to one key component: semiconductors. Imagine a world back in the late 19th century. It's 1874, and a curious gentleman named Ferdinand Braun discovers the rectifier effect in metallic sulfides, creating the first known semiconductor. This marked the start of a journey that would revolutionize the world of electronics. Fast forward to the early 20th century. In 1901, Jagadish Chandra Bose patents the use of a semiconductor junction to detect radio waves. This marked a significant leap in the field of communication technology. Moving into the mid-20th century, the year 1947 saw the invention of the transistor. John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley, working at Bell Labs, brought this groundbreaking innovation to life. The transistor, a semiconductor device, could amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power, giving birth to a new era in electronics. In 1958, the world witnessed yet another significant milestone. Jack Kilby at Texas Instruments presented the first integrated circuit or microchip. This tiny device, composed of semiconductors, consolidated the functions of a circuit's components into a single chip. Now let's shoot ahead to the 21st century. Today, semiconductors have become an indispensable part of our lives. They're everywhere, from the devices we use to communicate, to the appliances that make our lives more comfortable, and even in our cars. In this video, we've journeyed through the evolution of semiconductors. We began in 1874 with the discovery of the rectifier effect in metallic sulfides, moved on to the use of a semiconductor junction to detect radio waves in 1901, then the invention of the transistor in 1947, and the introduction of the integrated circuit in 1958. Today, we live in a world where semiconductors are omnipresent, powering our electronic devices and shaping our lives in ways we could never have imagined. The journey of semiconductors is a testament to human innovation and ingenuity. It's a story of how a simple concept can evolve over time to change the world. So the next time you pick up your smartphone or turn on your laptop, take a moment to appreciate the power of semiconductors, the silent heroes of the digital age.